Hello guys, welcome to Tech Space on XDN Ghana. So this is the live wallpaper showing on the MacBook, and I'm going to show you how to actually achieve this if you are using the Mac operating system. Okay, so do subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell icon to receive alerts whenever we post, and I'm going to show you this. So don't worry, yes, as you can see, it's very beautiful. You can use any video of your choice, any animated videos with high quality 4K. I'm sure you've even seen this on TikTok, okay, where people show you with Cinderella videos, the likes of the Marvel Studios videos. Okay, so yes, I'll show you how to achieve this, and you can also replicate the same on your machine. Well, we are going to look for any video, okay, an animated video, maybe a scene, but it has to be short, okay, a scene from any video of your choice, then we can utilize that one. So I'll just search for, let's say, Cinderella 4K short video, and let's see. Okay, I want something very nice. Okay, let's even look at this. All right. So from your QuickTime player, you are going to edit, then actually you are going to trim the video, okay, to maybe any session that you feel. Okay, so let's say I'll just trim the video to this point. Okay, right, now just leave it here, then I'll trim it. All right, so this is the trimmed, and it's just 21 seconds. All right, so we can just leave it, save it as CC. Yes, you just have to trim it, or you have to cut it, okay, to a very small portion that you just want to show as the screensaver. Okay, so here is the video. This is Wonder Woman, okay, and I tried to trim it to 49 seconds. Okay, so yes, this is the video, and we are going to use the video right now. But then let's go back to the settings again, and we go to wallpaper. Then we tried using the UTA, okay, but I'm having issues with the internet, so I'll just go ahead and do this tutorial with the previous one which I downloaded, and I did it with the North Africa wallpaper theme. So yes, when I select that one, you see the background of my wallpaper changes, okay, and this is from a video that we downloaded from online that shows some part of Ghana. Okay, so we are using this North Africa, and the thing is, you are not just going to give it a new wallpaper inside the settings, but we are going to download the video of North Africa, sorry, and we are going to change that video and use the video that we want to show. Okay, so I'll show you the path, and you do this equally. So just go to Finder, then select Go, and choose your computer right here. Go to Macintosh HD and you go to library. Then you select application support. Then you look for this, which is com.apple.idleassets.d. okay, so you are looking for this folder. Then you open the folder, go to customer and come here, 4K SDR240 FPS. okay, so you come to this folder as well, and when you come, you are going to see this. Okay, so in reality, when you download that one of North Africa, you are going to see the video of North Africa with this. I had changed it to suit the video that I want. So because the others are not downloading that fast, I'm going to change this video again. And the important step over here is that you are going to use the name. Okay, so you are going to copy the exact name, and make sure you don't change it, because once you change it or you use any other name, it's not going to work. So you are going to use the exact name. Okay, so then I'll just change this one to something else. Okay, then now I'll copy the video that I want to use. So the video from the Wonder Woman right here. And mind you, please be checking what I'm actually doing. I'm going to post the name of the North Africa video. It's like this. Okay, then I'll also change the extension to .mov. okay, then I'm going to save it. So use .mov. all right, so right now what we've done is, from the settings and from the North Africa video, which relates with this particular code name for or video name for that particular wallpaper, once you select it, it shows the video with that name. Okay, so we just interchange the video. So now this name is going to bear this video, and we will go back. Once you are done with it, you go back to your settings again and you verify. Okay, so I've selected North Africa again, but it's not going to work immediately, so you can just go ahead and restart your machine or wait a while, and the changes is going to reflect in your machine. So this is currently how to do it. I'm going to change back and I'll record the changes for you. So do this if you really want to have that live wallpaper feed. Go through the video well and follow the steps. Please remember to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell icon to receive alerts whenever we post, and we are going to give you more intriguing videos. So I'll go ahead and do the restart, then we are going to see whether it's going to change or not. Okay, so you can see that still it has the video from the previous one which is showing. Okay, so I'll still go ahead. Okay, so you see it takes a while for it to change. Now it has changed, and when this is actually hibernating or in sleep, you are going to have the video as the wallpaper or screensaver. Okay, you are going to have it as the live video on the MacBook screen. So yes, let's wait for that to happen. Okay guys, so as you can see, now it has changed to this one. Okay, so that is how simple the process is. I know you have to go through it, and you can do this one equally. Okay, you have this perfect video or any other video of your choice. All right, okay, this is so nice. This is so nice.